Yes. Meda etie for biase. Omo mutie me bia na do mo ase. Se musum benya adaje am betena ha se na mo betie me. Na ye friend sen. Die mutie no misre mo a se asem na meka no so we just say bi mo ye no prayer be part of subscribe me, click on my share button, now spread it out to certain people. No more so much. Subscribe is the most important for me. Keep modia and thumbs up. Minion you be Yahoo boys and one said e dini de esesa emne bia because say bibi na from Isakawa boys. She said they from Yahoo boys. Na America say Sisian Ghana pa ye wono. Ghana pa the way Yahoo boys no air doors no. It's crazy. But yenka about a day and a day Yahoo boys no edeba a dentia and edeba a denti na edeba. Number 1 Ghana na ye wono no amunim say politicians na wo hono have created so many issues. Young boys almost so obi oho a or one girlfriend or penny, and certain people because of band today, ye meti ase, but obi also or do be another obi. Na or one girl, na a bia politician ni bi, because Yahoo no mo ye nyina no obi oho a ope se onyesika na onya ma wi a opeso yeden osidan otoka obi okwampo aka ni ma pe no pe no kwakọ no monsa obi o wa dan kwampo de won sibi bebre wo sanity. But the causes of mostly Yahoo bebre no ye so betoka no wenya guess and ye issue no. Number 1 thing Ghana boys Yahoo boys ni ye. But me, I am not here say be bashi Yahoo boys. Everybody's hustling to do their own thing. I understand. Yahoo boy don't take it personally. So I'm here to bash you. You are hustling, keep on doing your hustling. But I'm only here to speak about the causes of certain people. What causes them to do that? Oh, yes, I name man. Anything. Before politicians for no wosika. Omu no mu wosika. Omu to me fa man yensa and I say 4 no mu to yesika no ma rent dan am. Now wo young boy a wo area mu no. Now politicians obi aba beji wo ge ana sika ni bi onu wo ni sika. Aba beji wo ge no ne hihye ho no ma ni sika na wo ntumi nye bi. Ebia wo so go school na kwa do baby. Ebi so school na wo ko ye na nkasa na djuma na wo ko pene kwampo no wo nya bi. Na what to me dey hwe oba no. Na wo ba beti say when education kakre bi na Yahoo boys wo betumi di na internet so aye de ope enye sika. Why not? Situation brings situation. Ghana na ye won situation brings situation. Say wa wale woni na awo ebia woni ni tifie na wo beti say osike ni bi ni wo yire da den na wo beye wo beka kokun wo bekun onipa no obi o wa ni solution ni say e kwan nipa ne first so di nyesika me so bi ko pe kwan bi so nyesika ni bi age me yire anase age me girlfriend because the mission is sika nti na me yire ni call ya anase me girlfriend ni call ye. What is the situation? Obi also was school dem or co school. But ne nanfofo omo ko school no. Cars omo drive omo de be kire omo school mu ho. Omo feel say school no omo call is not necessary. because you see and Yahoo boys here post you know them more sem na ye ka. You say most of them need students. Most of them also ghetto. Obi a otumi ne edi dokun anase nani chides uni ni di dokun 1 week later obo ehunu na obi hunu bi emu no na ka odemu no na ogusu ti ho edi sa dokun na oba ho na oba beton sama o oni o boys if they go say o girlfriend won it no na wo hwe no masa enyema bebre no se wuni akoma madam fo bi o wo Ghana no ka kire me say o se puff se Ghana wuti no se wuni akoma wo be kwa kwa jisike duro because obi betumi aye wade e ma na ye wo ya e ma wo di o hawo ni pain be kwa kwa pesike duro but na wo sand hu kwa kwato asem most of the time ni bisa obi o ho as imanti no yes ade no e dan kwampo de on dwen hu any car obedem keke no dwen hu eno na the situations but at the end of the day sometimes the kwampo no o Yahoo boys o muti Ghana kwampo ni mo ye no ye mu bebre mu tutututu kwan kwampo ni ntumi nye bi wo Ghana nti we look at those things now you feel like say that is the best situation. Obi o kwampo wo university a wa ko school ti office but Yahoo boy ono no ti get to one ko school da bo ka o dem no ono adwe mo say the oil company dey waste of time because mo ko be bia eton sa who spending 100 Ghana ono no ba no be spending bia be 1000 Ghana wo ho because who have plans or no need plans because it comes easily. Ghana very difficult. Say this type of things will go away. It will get more and more. The next level, you see, Nigeria for be where you crew. Now the funny thing is only because I say maybe Chinese for no your motor bag Ghana be your business now. Ebi mutumi fa Ghana ni ma miensa ni omo dampa ba akoso miensa o e dampa ba akoso enne wo beye bi wo Ghana na wo ye Ghana ni a wusu wo sika wo betumi aye bi obetumi afo obi ni yiri obi ni girlfriend na omo nyina gu paso na omo have sex na wo ni sika wo betumi aye saade ni bi de bi untumi nye saade ni bi. These are the things that is causing these problems in Ghana. Because obeti say ne yire ni odi obroni bi echi ana say Chinese ni bi echi ana Indian ni bi echi no. Masa eti akoma o. Eti akoma nti nipa no betumi akwakoye de enye se woye. Na Ghana fo o ma soso no. Sika eni bre nti ena mema na yesa na ema ni nyina but ehunu se woni bibi de ehunu se omo yesa isaka wana na se Yahoo boys no mko gie duro no omo de ye no at the end of the day no omo ye edisika na brema but omo koso omo kwakoye soso na ye ka chem se fa ma no soso bra na ye yusu omo oba ni draw so na wo di aba oba ni sperm na wo di aba imani body parts na wo di aba and these are the same people that are fighting for the money but you have to use another woman's parts, another woman's what they call it, strength and whatever you need from that woman to make money to go and give it to another woman. Inti kana form ma ye yusu wan kasa wo nua ba life to come and give it to you, another woman. Now we enjoy. So also na ebe yusu so e dey akwa another woman in that situation. The Yahoo boys, me, I don't blame you guys, because at the end of the day, no, hey, I say obeko baby, beach no, na wuti Labadi Beach na young boy baako aba na obe park ne car na ama be 10 gu ne hu na ne nanfofo no mototototo nsa na wontumi ntobi na ono soso a onhwe wani kasa be gibi na wo di oha ekwakoye niema. Yes, I am not going to stay there and say sementie nipa pain. A lot of them have that pain in them. Obi soso wo ho na ne maame bre ne papa bre. They cannot bear that pain in that situation. They cannot bear the pain to see their mothers and their sisters suffering. So they decided to say, me, I will use myself to go and do that to take care of my mother and father. That is how it is. Now, more here for the fun being, honestly and seriously. Be very careful. Be very careful about whatever you do. Very, very careful. Very, very careful. Now, the me aka say the me to me aka say Ghana for is very tough. More Ghana no. It's very tough for the situation any pa bebre come for how ni obre baby ebi muda baby ebi mu ye we say I understand. You ask me this wuni akoma, so many things could happen. In Canada high one. An example. Obi wo ho a obebre e wo Ghana. No oba be share oba. And I'll talk about this topic another time. Na odi oba ni fi Ghana e di ba abrochi. E ye bibia man. E di ni ba abrochi. Odi oba ni ba ye no. The woman stayed with him for 6 months. Eche no ka che and say, this is not what I planned for. O nye me so be ma. I cannot be with you. Until now I have to go. Because also no wa planning I want enough for bi okrom ha say ya became friends with her why bibia why ready say fe de otu no akakobo ne bra. And oba ne call ye. But this guy no have given everything about him. So we know oba obe wale. Odi na ba abrochi. A ni agi. Say sisi ade. He's about to begin life with his new wife. And oba ne call ye. Me pa mo chomu de see ye. Ofro abansoro 14th floor. E bibi o mote no. E na obema ni huri ye. Na na obesi from ban. Obesi ho no. Ni nan nyina ko hye ni mu. E ma no odi ni nan si ho. E ma ni be ye tie muaye. Pai. Na minua no. Wentumi enya akoma na nka se enye hwe nyame beye. No, wentumi enya sa akoma no. So what did he do? He killed himself because he suffered to bring that woman to Canada. Or breye ye pa no de ne ba ye. Ene ko ba ne sa. Sa asoso na bi muso wo Ghana. Omo bre to do everything for their woman. Na Yahoo boys we mu bi anase politicians anase sikafoni bi ababeji omoyere, and they will take that pain no mo so makakoye. Nti akakoye te say Yahoo na akakoye te say madam we ye ba me mfi no but onu koye wi no benye bia no ono ba na so be yi start chiche no de cars ba be sisio na se me de me ti wosa na bibi ka tre me se me nkoye na me so makakoye na we susu akakoye tobi no we so ma we hu no we so akakoye. It's like they are dragging themselves into that business themselves, but at the same time also no, they are flexing on each other because they now ukita Toyota Corolla, Mrs. Ba mikita Lexus, ukita Lexus, okay, Mrs. Makakoto BMW, ukita BMW, Mrs. Makakoto Range Rover. So they are flexing on themselves, and the more and more flexing on yourself, it will not be only just a mobile test you then you demanding to go for more powers from people. It will help you to be able to get what you want from the internet. And I understand situations bring situation. Me and Cassie but if I am in that situation now, in a place say my mother is suffering, my father is suffering, say I will fight to make sure my parents are okay. You never know. I will don't judge. I might do it too. I might do it too. Inti mu amu sika amu wo Ghana no. Yesrɛ mu. Se mu say Yahoo boys na here and discussing problem please. Unim so oba no e wo kun a jae no. Unim se oba ni wo kun a memfe sika enko mama just to sleep with her because you are hurting another person to go and do that thing that you are doing. Timisremu sikafo politicians o mo amoye sade no, please put a stop to it because omo ye mo na omo we outside no nowadays omo di wia mo Ghana fo na mo ti Ghana ye wia mo and ye di wia mo, and I'm just letting you guys know the fact of this situation. Now me, I'm a hustler, so I cannot hustle you guys as a hustler to break your things. But whatever I am saying to you Yahoo boys and they say, now another thing I want people to understand. The emotion, I cannot hate. I cannot hate because of situations. But Sikana Munyano, listen, and you will be an onibi. It is a munya kakra. Mo try say you donate and give certain to omo tititi kwano. Omo nibi. Because the muye biano say any papa mu say any money mu. Don't let only bad wishes and bad mouth to follow you. Do good things with that money too. Mumbua obia onibi. Openi bia ne ho akere no. Kasesika minya ya me de koto kaa no. The only best thing I did for me is say ma mi bia onibi. A we bie mi stock akre bia nyema miensa pe ne wo mu no. Metumi akwa no 2,000 or 3,000 so far nyema kakre ngum. Nti se wo koto kaa, you can get your blessings out of that woman. Misremu ebi mu nya bi. Omo tetete kwan no. Pe mani bi amoni omo da rough no say muni aduane. Asanka kese ni bi no. Na mon tete ni for ye. Na mon baggage take away bag no. And walk around and give it to those people. Because when people are cursing you, those blessings that you are doing can save you from certain things. Me mbejina hambeka so mo ye bone. It's not good, but at the end of the day, no. Mo amudi sikani chasing by, you are not doing nothing with it, no. It will not end you good. But semu to me, yet this type of things now. And why Yahoo boy be me please subscribe it. Put your message. Don't say me. Just say, my brother, I hear you. And I will do what you are saying. Because I have a friend. And he does 419 big time. His whole life, that is all he wants to do. But one thing I like about him is he gives. When he have, he gives. You ask him and he'll give it to you. Even when you visit him and he have 5, 7 shoes, and he doesn't need them, he will tell you, look, which one is your size? If you want to take it. And everything that he touches just works. Whether it's bad or not, it just works for him. Because he gives. Inti mususu mumboa. Se mwanya kwan bisua mumboa. Don't put only curses on yourself. Not only family members, but help outsiders. And anyone that will do, please, say your WhatsApp or say your whatever now. Please, link me up. Mame, bisa my number. I will send you the number. So which change you and now? And I say who you sika the amount will be as a competition. So who to me 500 Ghana the amount will be will be recorded. Send it to me. And let me get that. Now say who ni mo ada for bisu so Yahoo boy na. Misre wa link him up say on checking my YouTube channel. And I will put it. And we will make that challenge for all the Yahoo boys. Not more Yahoo. They say they should compete with you. So be better more than the way now. Let's see. So let's try to have other Ghanaians that will be, so that they don't have to go further to do these things. Me pamacho help the ladies. Mumbo mame fono. Omo bread. Intimisel. Anybody that decided so we are Yahoo boy, don't take it personal, but take me up on this challenge. A matter of fact, me myself, I will try my best to organize myself to come to Ghana to do that too. To give away. Intimisel mwa mumbo modiana musumunyebi. Why? Mumbo modiana musumunyebi. Midamase. Subscribe me. Now check me. Now ask for the number. Please, I'll be happy for you to send me any, even if it's one. But I challenge 5 people. Say move to me a video. Say move massacre 500 Ghana. Even 1,000 Ghana Krampua is fine with me. Or food, how much check. Please, let it get it from WhatsApp, the video. Misrel munina, midamase. Na min shiramu. Na de mu ye bia so enkoso ye. But let's use it for a good purpose. Thank you.